Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove animation from our element or text on Canva design. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a design on my Canva and I have applied two different types of animation to this design. Then I'm going to show you how the animation looks like. The first one is typewriter animation. I have applied the animation to my text. And the second one is wiggle animation. This is kind of motion animation on Canva. And I'm going to show you how we can remove both of them. The step will be a little different between the first animation and the second animation, but don't worry, I'm going to show you both of them. The first one, I'm going to remove the typewriter animation on from this text. So I'm going to select the text and we can go to animation, this one, and we can select none if we want to remove the animation like this. And now as you can see that the typewriter animation has been removed from my text. And the second one, I'm going to remove this wiggle animation from this element. Click on the element and then we can go to the wiggle or the animation. And if we want to remove it, we can click on the animation and then we can click on remove animation. Okay, and now all the animations have been removed from my design, as you can see. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove animations on our Canva design. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.